Such a pleasure. Wonderful. As you know, guys, this is our third film as part of the ZEE5. A woman's sexuality, for her, she still has to feel defensive about loving a man or even expressing feelings, whether it's of sex or love, and especially shadi ke baad, God forbid. And another thing I've also noticed, this is a very interesting dichotomy if you've realized, guys, कि जब भी आदमी का affair होता है किसी picture में, very often it's used in a comedic fashion. Like you see movies like No Entry, they use it in a comic fashion, almost as if to, in some way, justify it, or it's very fun, or एक बदमाशी कही जाती है. But till today, I've never seen a comic film where a woman is having an affair. It will always be considered very serious, very grim, very intense. So that's a very interesting dichotomy I've seen, that because we still consider it almost like, my God, कैसे कर दिया? कैसे? How can she even think of doing something? We take it in a very serious. But जब आदमी करता है, it's considered to be एक बदमाशी है, something is part of who he is. So tell me, do you believe that we still are very apologetic about a woman's sexual needs? And
well, we have to address centuries of history and centuries of culture for that to really genuinely answer that in a deep way. But of course, I mean, obviously, woman would be considered amoral or without morals if she would fall in love, no matter if she hasn't seen, like in this case, she hasn't seen the husband for years, right after marriage. And in this, it's very tragic because almost everything around her environment, her culture, her religion, everything makes her feel like she's doing something sinful.
Right.
So she feels terribly guilty and that she's doing something wrong, and that in the end she pays the price for that, which is that she loses the guy and he's heartbroken as well. So in the end, no one really is happy because one has to live with the lie.
So you didn't feel it would have made it more brave to show an ending where she gets the guy? Because again, that's very rare that it happens in Hindi films where the woman just goes off and marries the guy. Like even a movie like Murder, for example, which was path-breaking apne zamane mein for all its titillating content, but it was still path-breaking in many ways. There again, the man turned out to be a scoundrel, and eventually she came back to the comfort of her husband. So, do you believe that it may have, did you ever think of the idea of changing the ending to, for example, that she gets to be with the guy?
Actually, that would have just been untrue. It may have been something aspirational in a sense that she deserves to be happy, but it just would not have been true. So I think
you don't feel that inspiration कभी ज़रूरी होता है because you see ये कर सकती है तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ, because there are so many women in our country who are in loveless marriages or in unromantic marriages and they find that सुकून उनको कहीं और मिलता है and they would want to what you're saying is right. I mean, from a realism perspective, this is spot on. What you have shown. Tell me about that.
So no, I never ever thought that she should be with him because it would just feel sort of in a fantasy way or maybe filmy, honestly. To stick to the truth and to stick to somebody sort of this is possibly what would happen in real life, and so at least even at that time in 1997, 20 years ago, maybe even now. So I just wanted to be authentic to the story and to the character. I mean, it just would suddenly feel like she possibly had the impulse, but she just couldn't go through.
Do you know anybody, without mentioning names of course, in your personal life over the years who has been in a similar situation? And I would like to know what happened eventually. Did she leave her?
Actually, not me for me to talk about. No, I don't know. I mean, I do know, but I obviously don't want to talk about it because people's lives are their lives.
No, without mentioning names, I mean, in the sense that
so there's all kinds. There will be people who it's easier in Mumbai, I think, than in smaller towns. So I think that some would and some wouldn't. It's finally, it's very easy to stand out and pronounce judgment. It really has to be what is okay for that person.
अगर आप उसकी जगह पे होते तो क्या करते?
ये क्या बात है?
Very serious. I mean, if you were,
अब थोड़ा दिखा आपका
क्या?
वो अपन की तरफ देख रहे हैं सामने.
अच्छा.
If you were in her place, what would you have done?
No, it's too hypothetical and it's none of your business. so yeah, no, but it's, I mean, what does that even mean? Everybody's lives are specifically their own lives, and so it would be such a superior thing of me to say, had I been in her place, I'm not in her place, and I cannot presume to be, in that situation.
No, but very often, why I'm asking is because it has happened. For example, I have had a very, very dear friend who has been in that place. So let me put it in a different way. If I was in her friend's place, for example, I would have definitely told her that this is your one life that you have, and that you must make an attempt at least to be happy.
Yeah,
You know, and I
but
think
you know,
everyone
it's
deserves
a
that.
very, your environment is too strong pressure on you. So it's easy for you to say, of course, having spoken like a man, it's easy for you to say that that you should leave him. She couldn't leave him. The friend couldn't leave her husband. How could she possibly give that advice to another woman? In fact, she said that it'll all be okay, which is the sad thing that everybody resorts to.
But then what ends up happening is, I know I'm starting this debate, but I also feel that we have that one life to live, and we can all wallow in our sadness and say कि हम नहीं कर सकते. But I also know of lots of gutsy women who have gotten out of, for example, an abusive relationship, which is again very tough to do.
Yeah.
But there are women who do that. So we cannot even say that it is not realistic, because there are lots of women who fight it out also, you know.
Sure, no, it's realistic for this particular story.
Yeah.
In this story, she chooses not to,
Okay.
much to her own heartbreak. So it's not as if she decides to stay home and is happy. She's not. She's really sad, and so is he. So it's not like it's too easy for us to stand and say, why didn't she do the gutsy thing? You can't presume what people should do in a certain situation. And I think that in this story they didn't. Maybe in other stories they would. So it depends. It just depends. In this particular
Guys,
story they didn't.
questions?
I have one question.
Sure.
तनुजा जी, congratulations.
Thank you.
बड़ी अच्छी फिल्म आई है.
Thank you.
Let us know अनुराग का क्या मतलब, why he
आपको
was
अनुराग
connected
इधर आइए,
with
हाँ.
this project.
म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर की आप बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ.
हाँ, वो यही है.
Why उनको आपने select किया? दूसरी बात ये है कि आपने वो करके दिखाया है. There was a time when जो फिल्में हिट हुआ करती थी म्यूजिक की वजह से.
जी.
इसमें म्यूजिक का बड़ा रिलेशन है
I
इसमें.
agree,
तो
बिल्कुल.
इसके बारे में बताइए.
अनुराग नोटियाल का म्यूजिक है. मैं थोड़ा उनको इंट्रोड्यूस कर दूँ, फिर इनसे बात हो सकती है. बेसिकली जो माहौल था इस पिक्चर का बहुत ही हिंदुस्तानी माहौल था. सो फॉर मी ऑल्सो, क्योंकि हम बॉलीवुड गाने बनाते हैं, तो मेरे लिए भी एक अलग चीज़ थी. मेरे लिए भी एज अ डायरेक्टर इट वाज वेरी इंजॉयबल कि एक क्लासिकल बेस से, और ये बहुत ही क्लासिकली ट्रेंड हैं. इनफैक्ट सारे वोकल्स इनके ही हैं, इन्होंने गीत गाए हैं. So it was just beautiful, yeah. It's just, it's a dream voice, it's a beautiful voice. So I was, in fact, end credits में तो मैंने फिर इनको बोल दिया था, अभी 3 मिनट के end credits हैं, गाइए बस. Just left him loose. That was all ad-lib, if you remember. Studio में खड़े होके just sang, such a beautiful voice. So I personally am thrilled with the music, and I'm so happy that you're here and talk.
I don't know, the ad-lib part that Tanuja speaks of, 3 बजे हुए थे स्टूडियो में और रात को तनुजा है कि यार बस दिल से गाओ और गाओ. वो पूरा का पूरा एक टेक में गाया हुआ है. जो हुआ वो हम लोगों ने लेकर सीधा लगा दिया. So it was a very different journey. I've been doing a lot of independent stuff. बहुत सारी short films और ads, jingles, ये सब चीज़ें तो करते ही रहते हैं. बट ये जब प्रोजेक्ट आया तो देयर वाज सो मच स्कोप, क्योंकि जो हम लोगों की मीटिंग्स भी होती थी उसमें भी तनुजा बोलती थी कि आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू अ ब्रीफ, यू जस्ट डू व्हाटएवर यू फील लाइक. एंड व्हिच वाज सच अ वेग थिंग फॉर अ म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर सेइंग दैट. एंड देन टू होन एंड जो मैं लेकर जाता था वहाँ से तनुजा हमें गाइड करती जाती थी. थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ पर ये चेंज कर सकते हैं, वो चेंज कर सकते हैं. At the end of it, it all fell in place beautifully. So I think hats off to her.
And also जो एक background में है वो ज़्यादा सुनाई नहीं देता. Which is the song that your Mossy sang?
My mom sang.
Mom sang that? Which one?
छाप तिलक.
हाँ, छाप तिलक. वो background में जब वो electricity चली जाती है so इनके परिवार में सब गाते हैं. सब musically inclined हैं.
In near future, you want to become music director or playback singer, or both together along? Yeah.
I actually am looking at getting into the indie scene more than that. So composer, performer, वो type का, that's what I'm building right now. So obviously projects like these I'm more than happy to do. But वही चीज़ें करनी है जिनमें कुछ जान हो, कुछ रूह हो, बस ये है.
चलो ये क्रेडिट आपको याद था, आपने म्यूजिक को बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंस दी.
Now your music is excellent. In fact, the locations and the music, the locations are good, fine by locations. Music was excellent.
it actually was a person in the whole scene. Your casting was good. I was happy with the heroine. She was very nice. The hero could have been better, but he was. You know, you actually went for stereotypes like Papalusa guys. He can be easily falling in love with her. It was not. It was just a stereotypical casting, but the girl was beautiful. More beautiful than performance. I mean, the performance could have been much better. But your music took all the parts of it and the locations.
Thank you. Applause again.
In fact, the location, I'm glad you mentioned that because it's my absolute favorite location. The lanes of Bindi Bazaar and Nal Bazaar, Muhammad Ali Road, all those
And the
beautiful.
masjid did go to?
Which masjid was that? No, that was in. Where was the masjid? Wali. Oh, no. It's not. It's near Haji Ali. It's the other side of Haji Ali. So Haji Ali, when you finish the road on this side, there's a masjid. Little away. That was the masjid. Yeah, it was
And the
really
spiral
good.
staircase is beautifully used.
Yeah, that was in that masjid. Yeah. So this is the other part of Haji Ali. But also because I mean it's difficult location to shoot, but I just love it because it's teeming with life and it's colorful and it's noisy and it's amazing. So
That was very
yeah, it's very tough to shoot there. So.
How different would you say this film was from the other films? Of course, you've done a whole range of films, and most of your subjects have been very, very different from each other. Whether it's Dushman, Sangharsh, Kareeb Kareeb Single. Again, how different would you say as a filmmaker, and even in terms of style, this film was for you?
Very different, of course. I haven't. This is a kind of a beautiful subject that I personally love, but I hadn't ever come across a story that I loved. And this, I usually write my own scripts, but this was by somebody else, by a young guy called Faraz Ansari, who I just happened to connect on Facebook, and I said, "Do you have a story?" He said, "Yeah, I have a story," and we met and. He told me a couple which I did. I said they were good, and then he said, "So there's a story of this young girl who falls in love with a tailor." I said, "I want that, and that's the one I want." And then so it's his screenplay, and it was just very, very different for me and beautiful.
What touched you the most about after when you the entire experience of the film? What touched you about the whole thought, the film, the concept? What was it?
I think the helplessness and the sweetness and the tenderness. I mean, it's heartbreaking what happens in the end, but it's also they'll have some taste of it for the rest of their lives, which they'll keep very close to their hearts, and so there's some comfort to be drawn from it as well.
And also, I think in today's generation, we're not very used to tragic love stories. We are so used to being practical. I still remember 1990s में वो दौर शुरू हुआ where like in a Kabhi Haan Kabhi Na, Shah Rukh doesn't get a suddenly तीसरी heroine आ गई, Juhi Chawla or Karishma Kapoor, and that trend started, that there would be an extra heroine for the hero. He would just not die. Like पहले होता था, if you remember, एक extra heroine होती तो वो मरती ही थी last में picture में. Whether it was it always happened. Like मुकद्दर का सिकंदर, if there was one extra hero, we used to always bet कि कौन मरेगा. Yeah, extra hero अगर होता था कि दो heroines है, एक extra या दो hero एक heroine है, जो we used to have bets, कि कौन मरने वाला है. I still remember that. And it's true. Yeah, it's true. Like I just on an offside, and I remember this movie called Asha Jyoti with Rajesh Khanna, Rekha, and Reena Roy, and I had bets with my friend who would die in the end. And ultimately, it was such a comic tragedy. It was a South film because they do all this kind of very crazy stuff. So in the end, they decided to be extra smart. Or दोनों heroines, they both decided to sacrifice for each other. तो पता चला last में रेखा और रीना रॉय दोनों ने जहर लिया. दूसरे में दोनों मर गए. And Rajesh Khanna was left with the baby. So it was quite. So, but that was how. Yeah, but that was we used to wallow in that. And we used to love also that yearning, the unkahi baatein, the tragedy, and somewhere along the way, today's generation has become very practical. We move on to a different relationship, and I think what I liked about your film was the fact that yearning, the unkahi baatein, and the fact that wistfulness, the end of it that you feel.
Yeah, I do think that the medium allows for that, and that's the great liberating feeling.
Yeah.
Because there is, there are all sorts of demands on a feature film to be theatrically released, and then when you don't have those limitations, then you can really speak in another language, and that's a lovely thing. I mean, I think there should be all kinds of storytelling. And this is one kind, and there should be all kinds, There's room for all kinds. There's room for all kinds of characters and language and music.
And it's also very brave of you to, look at the whole cultural, the religious aspect again, because again,
Yes.
we are very...
Oh, that is very much a part of this.
Yeah, because again, we are very we get very sensitive, or we get very apprehensive about using culture or religion as a backdrop, because then that leads to a lot of questions, debates, controversies. So
that was one thing that was really important in the things that you were mentioning about the alternative ending. अगर आप अपने आप को उस situation में डालो जहाँ पर your parents are not there, your friends are non-existent, your support system is not there, and the people that are around you are your husband's relatives. Anwar जो था वो भी दूर का relative था उसके husband का. So for her to say कि I'm going to put everything aside and put my happiness and do this, Anwar couldn't have done that because his family is there. She couldn't have done that. She doesn't have anything. So that helplessness, वो विवशता जो है, जो that is something वो घुटन जो फील होती है, वो एक सिलवट रह जाती है हल्की सी. That I think has been beautifully portrayed, and that was one thing that really touched me.
Coming in 3 weeks now, so it's okay now.
And then he's going back in a month.
Any final questions? Any final questions, guys?
No.
Thank you so much. Just to remind you that Silvat is going to be on Z5 app from Friday. And remarkable, warm round of applause once again for Anurag and Pradeep Chandra. Thank you guys, and hope to see you next week again. Thank you.
ओके तनुजा जी, सबसे पहले तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल मूवी आपने बनाई है. तो सबसे पहले ये
थैंक यू.
कहाँ से ऐसा आइडिया आता आपके पास, क्योंकि हमने लास्ट फिल्म जो मैंने आपके इरफान खान के साथ में देखी वो भी एक बेहतरीन म्यूजिक है, और ये एक शॉर्ट फिल्म, तो कैसे कहाँ से स्क्रिप्ट ऐसे आइडियाज आती है?
एक्चुअली इन दोनों में एक तो करीब करीब सिंगल की स्क्रिप्ट मेरी मदर ने लिखी थी, स्टोरी उनकी थी, स्क्रिप्ट गज़ल और मैंने लिखी थी, स्टोरी उनकी थी, तो वो स्टोरी उनसे आई. और इसकी कहानी, इसका स्क्रीन प्ले भी एक यंग राइटर हैं फराज अंसारी, उनके पास ये स्क्रिप्ट, ये कहानी थी, और मुझे इसका माहौल बहुत अच्छा लगा. एक तरह से जिस पहले जो बनाते थे मुस्लिम सोशल, उस तरह की फिल्म, ये उस तरह की कहानी, और मुझे ऐसी कहानी बनाने में बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एक माहौल को एक्सप्लोर करना, एक रिलेशनशिप को देखना, जो कि क्योंकि बॉलीवुड फिल्म ज़्यादातर अर्बन और कूल और उस सब में उलझ जाती हैं, तो एक लोअर मिडिल क्लास ट्रेडिशनल एनवायरनमेंट को एक्सप्लोर करना, खासकर कि ये थोड़ी सी 1997 की कहानी है, तो वो उसमें आपको एक अलग डायमेंशन मिलता है. तो मुझे तो बहुत, जैसे मैंने कहानी सुनी मुझे इमीडिएटली अच्छी लगी, और मैंने कहा इस पे फिल्म ज़रूर बनानी है.
जी बिल्कुल, और बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म भी बनी.
थैंक यू.
म्यूजिक की अगर मैं बात ना करूँ तो आती बेवकूफ़ी हो, तो बताइए इतना बेहतरीन म्यूजिक, क्या कहना चाहिए म्यूजिक?
तो एक बहुत ही एक यंग टीम थी इसमें, तो हमारे यंग म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर अनुराग ढोंडियाल बहुत ही क्लासिकली ट्रेंड, लेकिन उनका नज़रिया बहुत ही अर्बन और बहुत ही मॉडर्न प्रोग्रेसिव है. इसमें इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि आपके पास क्लासिकल ट्रेनिंग की फाउंडेशन बहुत सॉलिड है, लेकिन म्यूज़िकली अभी आप बहुत साउंड है कि आजकल किस तरह के गाने बन रहे हैं, आजकल का म्यूज़िक किस तरह से टेक्नोलॉजी को कैसे यूज़ करता है, तो ये इन दोनों का जब मिश्रण होता है तो बहुत कमाल का म्यूज़िक होता है. और ख़ासकर इसमें तो भी नीडेड एकदम हिंदुस्तानी ठुमरी और उस तरह से, लेकिन फिर भी स्ट्रक्चर अनयूजुअल है गानों का. अंतरा मुखड़ा उस तरह से जो नॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर होता है उस तरह से नहीं है, तो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग, थोड़ा सा फ्री एक्सपेरिमेंटल, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड बैकग्राउंड स्कोर कहीं कहीं थोड़ा सा ऑल्सो यूजिंग ऑल द थिंग्स ऑफ वेस्टर्न बैकग्राउंड स्कोर. सो क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि कोई चीज़ बिल्कुल प्योर अगर होती है तो नहीं, मैं बोलने वाली हूँ जो तुम एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करोगे, कि अगर बिल्कुल प्योर होती तो कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप पे एक लिमिटेशन भी होती है उस पर. अगर आप कुछ मिक्स करें, बाहर से कोई फॉरेन एलिमेंट उसमें लाएं, समथिंग चेंजेस, उसके एक अलग वोकैबुलरी हो जाती है, उसकी एक अपनी एक सिंटैक्स, एक अपना रिदम, कुछ बदल जाता है उसमें. मुझे पर्सनली इसमें बहुत एक्साइटमेंट लगता है. सो
ओके, अगर पर्सनली मैं आपको पूछूं कि चाय बनाने का कितना शौक है?
मैं तो एक चीज़ नहीं बनाती. मैं एक्चुअली एक चीज़ नहीं बनाती, ना मैं चाय बनाती हूँ, ना मैं खाना बनाती हूँ, ना मैं कॉफ़ी बनाती हूँ, कुछ नहीं बनाती। लेकिन इसमें क्या है कि कुछ कुछ रोमांस वैसे भी होते हैं जिनमें सिर्फ कोई एक चाय बनाता है और दूसरा चाय पीता है, एक चाय पिलाता है दूसरा चाय पीता है। तो इस रोमांस का जो फाउंडेशन थी वो चाय थी। मैं बाहर जाके घर पे तो पीती हूँ बट लेकिन मैं बनाती नहीं हूँ, बाहर जाके कॉफ़ी पीती हूँ, बनाती नहीं हूँ।
जी, आज यहाँ पे भी आपकी कॉफ़ी रेडी हो चुकी
Yes.
है। इससे पहले एक आखिरी सवाल ये कि मैं आपकी जो भी फिल्में देखता हूँ, अगर
हंसी आ रही है मुझे तुम्हारे साथ। हाँ क्या?
मैं जो भी आपकी फिल्में देखता हूँ, करीब करीब सिंगल की बात करूँ या ये फिल्म भी देखे, ऐसा लगता है कि ये फिल्म अधूरी है, आगे और भी इसके पार्ट 2 भी बन सकते हैं।
ओह।
करीब करीब सिंगल की मैं अगर बात करूँ तो उसे भी देख कर ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ, इसकी स्टोरी और आगे बढ़ सकती है। ये इस शॉर्ट फिल्म की बात करूँ तो इसकी ऐसा लगता है कि
Correct.
अभी मुलाकात तो हुई नहीं। तो
correct.
आप ऐसा माने कि इसका और ये स्टोरी और आगे भी बढ़ेगी कि आप
ये स्टोरी बिल्कुल बढ़ सकती है क्योंकि ये एक इन दोनों का इश्क जो है ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि एक तरह से एकदम ख़त्म हो गया है, नहीं हुआ है। हो सकता है शुरुआत ही हुई हो इनके इश्क की, और योगी और जय की भी शुरुआत ही एक तरह से एंड में इश्क की हुई थी। लेकिन हमने सीक्वल का कुछ सोचा नहीं है। लेकिन हाँ, यू आर राइट, बन सकते हैं ज़रूर, आगे की कहानी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकती है।
इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकता है। आई विश कि इसके आगे की कहानी आएगी। और एक आखिरी सवाल ये
जी।
कि करीब करीब सिंगल आपने इरफान खान के साथ में की थी, इन दिनों वो अपनी ट्रीटमेंट का क्या
जी।
आपकी उनसे कुछ बात हुई व्हाट्सएप पे?
हाँ,
आपको या फिर
मैं उनकी वाइफ से टच में हूँ और ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं वो जनवरी से अब तक यूके में हैं। तो वी आर होपिंग कि ट्रीटमेंट के बाद अब जाके पता चलेगा कि उससे फ़ायदा हुआ है और चीज़ें बेहतर हैं कि नहीं, वो अब पता चलेगा। सो फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट।
आई विश कि
Yes.
ऐसा सब कुछ।
Yes.
थैंक यू जी,
Thank
थैंक यू सो
you.
मच।
Thank you.
थोड़ी सी शॉर्ट्स
अच्छा, जस्ट बात करते हुए
ऐसे नॉर्मल। हाँ मैडम की कॉफ़ी आप दे दीजिए, हाँ भी चलेगा। कॉफ़ी आ गई।
पीने का और पिलाने का, पीने का तो पिलाने का नहीं। मतलब नहीं, तो आएगा तो ऑफकोर्स पिलाऊंगी और मैं नहीं बनाऊंगी।
हाँ, घर में कोई
मुझे
और
नहीं आता कुछ बनाना।
फिल्में तो बनाने आता है,
हाँ,
but
बस,
इतनी
बस।
बेहतरीन फिल्म।
Thank you. बात तो करो, मैं ऐसे कैसे देखती हूँ।
That's it, I think हो गया।
I know.